Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a create cutout sticker not showing on Instagram. So, for example, I create my own story and you can tap sticker icon at the top of your screen and there is cutouts feature here. If you tap it, you can create a stickers here, creating sticker, and you can use the stickers here. Even you can select manually the sticker here. Use sticker now. As you can see, I'm use this cake or this food as a sticker into my own story. So if this feature not showing on your Instagram, you can try to close the Instagram app first, and let's check into the Play Store. You can try to tap the search Instagram. As you can see, you need to update your Instagram first in order to use all the surface, all the filter, all the effect, the latest one from Instagram. And also don't forget to clear the cache. You can go back and hold the Instagram icon at your home screen and tap application info. Here you can tap on storage and clear cache. You can consider to clear your data, but you need to re-log in. So please, once more time, please update your Instagram app every time there is a new update. So you have to check Play Store maybe once for a week to see if there is an update on any app that you installed on your Android device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.